Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to keep your team on the same page or want to easily schedule meetings without endless back and forth emails, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add someone to your Outlook calendar in just a few easy steps. Updated. By the end of this video, you'll be sharing your calendar like a pro and saving tons of time on scheduling. So, let's jump right in. First things first. Open your browser and head to the Outlook login page. Sign in using your Microsoft or Office 365 account credentials. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the small calendar icon. That'll take you from Mail View straight into your calendar view. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a section called My Calendars. Here, Outlook lists all your available calendars, like your work calendar, personal calendar, or shared project calendars. Choose the one you want to share. Next, hover over that calendar name and click the three-dot menu, three dots, that appears next to it. From the drop-down, select Sharing and Permissions. This is where the magic happens. In the sharing window, start typing the email address of the person you want to add. Outlook will automatically suggest contacts as you type, which makes it super convenient. Once the person's name pops up, select it. And now you can choose their access level. You can let them view only your schedule, which is great for transparency, or give them full access, which allows them to add, edit, and manage events directly on your calendar. Pick the permission that fits best, and when you're ready, click Share or Send Invite. And that's it. You've successfully added someone to your Outlook calendar. Quick, simple, and super effective for keeping everyone in sync. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.